Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Datos Insights webinar today on AI and the property casualty insurance challenges and today's reality, challenges of tomorrow and tomorrow's opportunity. Well, that is certainly a mouthful of a title. So I'm Martina Conlin, and I'm pleased to have you with us today. We are Datos Insights, which is an advisory and research firm focused on insurance and banking technology. We work with about 150 insurers across the country in helping them with technology strategy, and 60 to 70 service and solution providers in order to help them understand how to best serve the insurance community. And so today, I'm delighted to be here with my colleague, Deb Zawissa, and we're going to talk a bit about AI and P&C and all of the challenges and opportunities they provide to us. Datos Insights is as I mentioned, a research and advisory firm. We focus on our advisory services to the insurance community, consulting projects, and publishing research on trends and themes in the industry, as well as the solution providers in the industry. I've been with Datos Insights for about 14 years now, working with our clients in order to help them with their technology strategy. And prior to that, I was with Arbella Insurance, and prior to that, with a number of technology and consulting firms, always focused on the insurance vertical. Deb, do you want to take a minute to introduce yourself?
Sure, thanks, Martina. Deb Zawissa, I'm a senior principal at Datos Insights. I've been here almost 5 years. And I talk to our insurance and vendor clients across a wide range of topics, including technology strategy, organizational strategy, and core system modernization. So certainly a lot going on in the insurance industry. I come from a long insurance technology background. I was a CIO at Travelers, a CIO, CTO at Nassau, formerly Phoenix, did a stint in management consulting, and grew up in technology at Aetna.
Great, thank you. So let's talk a little bit about the insurance industry. It's pretty straightforward, very simple, and there are really only 3 ways to create value in insurance. You can sell more, you can manage risk better, or you can cost less to operate. And each of those have different strategies where you can expand your market, provide better service, you can manage risk better through improving your risk selection, and you can cost less to operate by increasing productivity through increasing efficiencies, automation, those types of things. And each of these levers and strategies really can be enabled by technology to support all 3. We find that flexible core systems allow us to expand our markets and bring products to market quicker. Certainly, digital technologies help us reach our distributors and our customers. Predictive models and data technology can help us manage risk better. And certainly, AI and automation, standard automation, can really help us cost less to operate and significantly improve our efficiencies. But today we find that the volume, the velocity, and the complexity of the external factors that we're dealing with are increasing. We have the external factors of climate change that are significantly impacting the P&C industry. There's no longer a climate hurricane season. There is a catastrophe, ongoing anytime all year round, whether it's floods in Vermont, fires in Colorado and California, hurricanes in the Southeast, floods in the Midlands, and we find that we're constantly reacting to the climate change issues that we're having. We have inflation going up, which is helpful for some factors of investments. That's interest rates going up, helpful for some factors of investments. But inflation is significantly impacting our supplies and the loss costs and the cost of operating a business. We have supply chain issues still going on. My family business is an auto body and repair, and we still have many, many jobs that come in that should take days to complete, that end up taking weeks to complete because the supplies are not available. And so there still is significant issues on the market around supplies around property and auto specifically. And then finally, we're finding that the insurance, what we're insuring, our risks that we're insuring, our processes, our technology, everything is increasing in complexity. And so for us to manage a auto claim, for example, it's much more complex than it has been historically because the nature of the risk has become more complex. And so certainly we have that level of complexity of doing our standard business processes that we've done all these years, that now we have to address that complexity and figure out ways to enable a smooth and rapid execution of these business processes. So really what we're finding is the impact on the insurer is we have increased loss costs, we have complex processes, we have increased reinsurance costs if you can actually get the reinsurance. And because people are having, it's a hard market with reinsurance, a lot of insurers are having to increase their risk retention, meaning not reinsure as much as they typically would because they just can't acquire the reinsurance contracts that they have in the past. And all of this comes out to the insurer strategies in order to deal with all of these. You know, again, we're trying to sell more. Our goals are sell more, become more efficient in those things. But really what we're doing right now is increasing premium across the board for, you know, property, personal lines, especially, but also commercial auto and property, internal strategies to deal with these increased costs and issues that we have really are become more agile, become more efficient, and become more effective and accurate in our business processes.
Datos Insights.